Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today we are doing all the food stuff. So got the girls here. We're gonna go out to the woods and pick some elderberries. And then we gotta deal with all the stuff from our garden. So we're gonna be doing peppers, tomatoes, pickles, might be doing some stuff with the zucchini, all kinds of good stuff. So anyway, pretty exciting day. Kind of cool that we can grow some of our own food. Not a lot, but I think
good enough.
We'll do what we can with it. Now it's time to go to the garden.
Oh yay!
You got a ton of Nutella on your face.
Wait.
You got a ton of Nutella on your face. Hey there, Bobby. Whoa. What are you doing?
I can still hear him.
Look at all these peppers. Holy cow. Got some more tomatoes to pick. It's starting to get cold, you can see. Squash plant's starting to get frosted once in a while. Big old butternut squash. Got another spaghetti squash growing. I'm not sure if it'll make it or not, but we'll see. Alright, now we are getting the rest of our peaches. Still dealing with the birds. It's just been really annoying because then the birds peck on them and then the bugs show up. It's a pain, but we're doing a lot better on peaches than we thought. I think we have picked around 50 or 60 pounds so far this year. Probably get another 40 today, which in 120 trees is not a lot, but still better than we expected. So we're gonna go ahead and, man, those look kind of big. Nice.
I Avery to pull the branch down after I grab it.
Right on. Good job. So I'm gonna get a ladder and get this tall stuff. Hey, you. You good?
Oh, tea in it.
Oh man. Yeah, those are big ones.
I know. These two are bad.
All right, well, I'd say that's not too bad. About 90 pounds of fruit today. Whew! So, between apples and peaches. So, and there's still, I don't know, probably 4 or 5 rows of apples that need picked, but they're not quite ready yet. Give them a couple more weeks. Everything's super late because of how cold the spring was. Like, we didn't get any substantial heat until like July. So anyway, yeah, time to start processing all this food. Pretty excited. What are we doing, Ave? Well, you're right there. Doing crinkle ones, or does it have a crinkle lid?
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's pretty awesome, though. Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
That's cool. Mom, can I try?
Yep.
Yay, now it's my turn.
Hold on. I think these will be totally even. Okay, watch this, Annie. Okay. Okay, and I gotta switch it up.
Sweet. That's fast.
That's cool.
All right, let me tell you what we've got going on here. This is a busy kitchen. We got pickles going on right here.
Wait, that's pickles?
Yeah. They're gonna be pickles. They're cucumbers right now.
Oh.
So Allison's trying out her new slicer. You like it so far?
Yeah.
Yeah? These are like, I think they're called maple finger tomatoes. Kind of weird looking aromas. So we're gonna make some sauce out of those. Got one more bin of tomatoes here. And then I froze some earlier.
Here, now I can...
So we're gonna try that out. I didn't have time to can those and they were kind of starting to get smushy. Pickles, peppers, tomatoes, and a whole bunch of peaches. So I'm gonna start washing up these tomatoes and cutting all the bad spots out. How's that cucumber?
That's not a cucumber.
Well, it is right now.
It
We
is
haven't
right now.
pickled it yet.
Now it's even more.
We can just throw that one away.
Okay. Chicken bucket.
If it's like reducing too much, how do I know?
I have no idea.
Ew.
Looks good to me. Look at all those pickles.
Why did you have to...
Oh, not that much. A little bit less. You want to get, want to get as much of that tomato. We want to save as much of the tomato as possible.
Why?
Well, so we can make more sauce.
More sauce than ever? And we don't want the butts on there?
That one's okay. All right, we got all the junk cut out. So now we got this water boiling. We're gonna start with the paste tomatoes so we can get our sauce cooking. So basically, just dunk them in boiling water for like 45 seconds, 60 seconds, and then the skin falls right off. Also, this is the way to get your big pot boiling using like a camp stove. Puts out a lot more heat than your stove top because those burners are just huge. Gonna sanitize our jars here soon, and it looks like it's gonna get a little busy around here.
Because the control...
Are you gonna dump them in there? Okay, don't plop them, remember, you gotta get it in the water, tilt it. There you go. Alright, got all these paste tomatoes done. Need to drain some of that water off. Basically just gonna cook these for like several hours. And scoop water out as we go. Alright, here's our elderberry haul. Yeah, no.
I don't think that's right.
Huh. Maybe it's super concentrated.
It's gonna ward off all the ickies.
So, tomatoes are ready to be sliced. Sauce is cooking. All right, we are ready to start canning these things. So, got the tomatoes all diced up. We put some lemon juice and salt. So 1 teaspoon of salt in each one, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice in each one. They have been in this pot for a while, so they're all like sanitized and stuff. So Avi's gonna help me scoop them in. So yeah, just scoop it and dump it.
Right now?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Top shelf. I think on the right hand side. Okay, careful not to get spill it out.
I know.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab the air thing.
Okay.
You want to leave an inch of space on the top, and you got use this thing to jam all the air out. Get all the air bubbles out. See, now there's a lot more room for more tomatoes. Nice work. Alright, we're going to bust through the rest of these, and then we'll check on the sauce. Alright, topped it off with some fresh basil from the garden. Throw some lids on those bad boys. Get them boiling for 45 minutes. Just whipped up my own mayo. Alright, I've been scooping the juice out of here, just like that. And we'll go ahead and can the juice too. But I think this is ready to use the immersion blender to make our sauce. Then we'll finish up our canning. Had a little bit of tomatoes left over that I didn't want to can, so we ended up making some salsa, and it's a little spicy. Pickles are looking great. And we decided we're not going to pickle the peppers that we have right now, because I looked in the drawer and they're all gone, so everybody's been eating them, which is great. And we've got probably about that much more or twice that much more on the plants. So we'll pickle some later, but I think we'll be able to eat all those. Alright, let's blend this up. Alright, got my sauce, got my jars, just pulled them out of the water there. Gonna do this juice also, so got a strainer there. since this jar wasn't all the way full, I don't think it works to can that way. I don't know. It was floating in there because of the amount of air, so that's fine. Lose a little bit. And then this jar, the rings don't fit on it, so that's great. So we end up with one pint-sized jar of sauce and one pint-sized jar of juice. It's a lot of work for that, but it's all good. I think we've got 10 quarts of diced tomatoes now, which is pretty awesome. 45 minutes. Well, I'd say that's a pretty good day. I mean, a lot of work for 6 little jars there, but we're learning. So we got some pickles, we got some tomato sauce, got some diced tomatoes, and a whole ton of fruit. 90 pounds of fruit. So, anyway, we're trying to figure out this homestead thing. It's pretty fun. So, alright, we'll see you next time.